Hello friends, once again welcome back. In today's session, what are you going to learn? You can easily see Roman numerals, okay? So without wasting time, quickly learn it. This is another system of writing numbers into Roman numeral, okay? Basically, we use alphabets to show numbers in this system. We use alphabets, specific alphabets. Only these alphabets can be used. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, we use these alphabets to show numbers. So, here I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Okay? And you must have seen there is no zero because in Roman numbers there is no number, no alphabet for showing zero. There is no zero. Okay? That's why this system of writing numbers got failed. Zero to chahiye, right? So there is no alphabet to show zero. Basically, if I want to write, see, I, 1, I. ठीक है? If you want to write 2, you need to repeat these I. If you want to write 3, then you will repeat maximum 3 times. But if you want to write 4, this is wrong. Because in Roman numeral, maximum you can repeat alphabets 3 times. वो भी सारे alphabets repeat नहीं कर सकते. There are specific alphabets which can be repeated. Okay? So that we will tell you later on. I will come on that. So if you want to write 4, in that case 4 कैसे आता है? 5 minus 1 तो कर सकते हैं ना हम. Here what you did? 1 plus 1 which gave you 2. Here what you did? 1 plus 1 plus 1 which gave you 3. 3i. 4 चाहिए तो 4 times 1 आप नहीं कर सकते. This is wrong. 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus. This is wrong concept. Instead of doing this, what you can do? 5 minus 1. Ab now for 5 what I need? This. That means 5 and please remember रोमन न्यूमरल्स में सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है लेफ्ट साइड, तो -1 आपका इधर होता है. तो जब आपने -1 किया तो वो बन गया 4. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल राइट 4. V and I. दिस इज 4. दिस इज हाउ यू विल राइट 4. देन 5 तो हमारे पास है ही. 5 विच इज V. अब हमें 6 लिखना है, राइट? यू वांट टू राइट 6. हाउ विल यू राइट 6? 5 plus 1 only. Addition to the right side, subtraction to the left side. 5 plus 1 6. 5 है हमारा V and साथ में आ गया I. So this is 6. 7 कैसे लिखेंगे? 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 के लिए आपके पास क्या है? V and for 1 we have I. This is your 7. For 8, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means V, I. अब आ गई 9 की टर्न. अब भाई 4 टाइम्स तो I रिपीट नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज मैक्सिमम रेपिटेशन इज 3 टाइम्स ओनली. तो अभी क्या करें? 9 क्या करें फिर हम लिखने के लिए? 10 minus 1 कर देते हैं, तब भी तो 9 आता है. तो क्या सिखाया था? 10 के लिए हमारे पास है X और माइनस का होता है लेफ्ट साइड, जैसे आपने यहाँ पे लगाया था ऐसे ही I आपका यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. एंड फॉर 10 you have already given X. So in today's session, I have taught you how to write Roman numerals, how to form Roman numerals, how to create Roman numerals using alphabets till 10. Tomorrow we will do after 10 and till the time you practice to learn it in a better way. And please remember and learn these alphabets against these values. ये आपको टिप्स पे होना चाहिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000 and no Roman numeral for 0. That's why I had told you in my beginning of this session, then this system got fail. Otherwise जब हमें large number लिखने होंगे तो रोमन में आप कहाँ तक counting लिखोगे? It is very difficult. We cannot form such large numbers in Roman numeral. But yes, still we use it. There are some places where we use in your books and marking, positions in the class. There are multiple ways to represent these numbers. So till the time you keep practice, you keep learning, and we will meet in our next session with the, learning Roman numerals after 10. Bye, children.